Welcome to Car to Table Greatest Hits. We're going to go through the last 24 episodes. Welcome to Car to Table Greatest Hits. Today we're going to feature Casey Metcalf's steak, which I love because it's very simple and easy to make, but super good. First I need a really hot pan. I'm going to go ahead and get salt and pepper on the steak. All right, so I've got a cast iron skillet. Casey used the griddle on Craig and Abby's stove. I don't have a griddle here, so I'm going to use this cast iron pan. It's going to achieve a very similar effect. That episode was unorthodox. We filmed it at one of the show's producers' houses.
You're a true wine taster.
No, it's just a
So the Square Wine Company has provided us with some nice wine to pair with today's steak. This is a Tempranillo. I'm really excited to try it. Casey did some great sides. He had a carrot puree and some potatoes. I don't have those, so I'm gonna throw a little chive butter on top of my steak today. Let's do a little parsley on there too. Parsley, when I chop it, I kind of put it in a pile and then I roll it up like I'm a cowboy rolling a cigarette. So we've got a nice hot pan. You can see it's smoking here, which is exactly what I want. And then I'm gonna drop the steak in there with the seasoned side down, away from myself. I like to get that salt and pepper on the first side right away because it starts to draw the water out, which is gonna help me get a nice crispy outside. And this is gonna be another 3 minutes or so, and we're gonna be good to take it off and let the steaks rest for a moment. So I like my steak medium rare. My mother eats it still mooing, but once you cook the steak enough, you can get it down to knowing when it's done by pressing on it and feeling how firm it is. So we have these beautiful steaks ready to come off. And I'm gonna let these rest for 5-10 minutes on the cutting board here. Cook this garlic just for a minute and the juices left in the pan from the steak. Pour that over the steak when we serve it. Top it with a little butter, chives, and parsley. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to eat this steak. And so I'm going to start by taking this and eating it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you picked up some tips on how to cook a steak. I want to thank Metcalf's. I want to thank the Square Wine Company. And stay tuned next month when we feature a recipe from a chef who had never used coconut oil before. See you next time.